Hello everyone, welcome to my Ubank review, and in this Ubank review I will discuss all about Ubank software, how it works, its full demo overview, how you can actually make money using this Ubank software. There are three effective options. I will show you later how you can actually make money using this Ubank software, and all about the general bonuses, vendor special bonuses, and the same exclusive bonuses, and all about my exclusive bonuses over $33,000. I will show you all everything. And Ubank is going to launch on 24th October at 11 a.m. EST by Amit Gaikwad and Anuradh Bhabra on Warrior Plus network. So what is actually Ubank software? So Ubank is a new automated software that creates viral, high quality traffic pooling and self-updating content websites in just few clicks. That means this website will produce self-updating content. You don't need to post or you don't need to write article for this website. This will be updating. I will show you everything on demo and how you can actually make money in three ways using this software. I will show you everything. Just stick with me. You need to know what Ubank can do for you. I am showing you the demo just 1 minute later. So Ubank is actually RSS feed content site builder and automated blogging system to create and manage revenue making website. I will show you how you can do so, and this is actually software as a service, that is called SaaS. Is a user friendly, creates responsive, customizable and self updating unique viral content website for any niche, and the specialty is that it produces unique SEO friendly content, so you have the chance that your website is on Google. Okay, and it also, this is the simple software that helps anyone get their big share of passive monetization gold mine. You can monetize your website with AdSense or any other advertisement or CPA content clocking or affiliate marketing. I will show you later. Just see the feature. I will show you everything. And this full SaaS based software creates a stand-alone viral content website as well as WordPress website in just few clicks, and best of all that you can use Ubank SaaS in many ways, even to make money with affiliate marketing, content or regular advertisement as I have mentioned earlier. And it includes step-by-step video training, shows users how to effortlessly set up their blog in any niche and drive massive traffic to their website in just few clicks. And the important question is how to make solid profit using Ubank. There are lots of ways by doing so, but three are the very effective options to make money using this Ubank software. I am showing you later after the demonstration. So you can make money using AdSense or advertisement from another company, or affiliate. You can make money affiliate commissions or CPA marketing websites, or you can make money with Fiverr, Upwork freelancing site or any other freelancing site, or B2B marketing by selling service. I am explaining everything you just in a minute. So this is the demonstration full demo. So this is the members area of Ubank. You just need to log in after purchasing to get access into this page. I highly encourage you to see this tab first before you start. This is the training, because this will help you to set up everything properly, perfectly correct you will be. So I highly encourage to see this. So this training you will see how to use custom domain name, how to create categories, how to add content to your website, how to add pages, how to add content locker, how to add advertisement and everything. So by the way, just go to the dashboard. First thing you need to create a website. Okay, first thing you need to create a website. You can do in two option, create website, or in the website list you will also have the option to add new website. Click this. You have to type of the option WordPress website or custom domain name. For this you need to add domain name. For the purpose I am showing you as an example, I am copy this domain name. You just need to add your own domain name or the domain name from your client. I am explaining later. Just showing you. You don't need to add HTTP or HTTPS in the domain name section. Just put your domain. Then you have the option to choose template. There are some done for you template, and you can also choose your own template by download template. So see, then you need to give website logo. Then you need to contact email, like give your any mail address at the rate of your domain name, like support at the rate of your domain name, or contact as admin, etc., and your about. And you can also do this thing, Facebook profile URL, and just click save website, contact mail, c dot support and xyz. I am just showing you the example at the rate of your domain name. See, the website is created. Now under this you need to manage category. After creating the website, you need to manage category. See, add new category. As this is automobile website, automobile, I will create the category as automobile. You need to select the chosen website, then save category. Under this category, this website will create auto updating, self updating content, unique content, SEO friendly content. Then you can manage your pages like about us page, contact us page, terms of service pages. There are lots of pages like about us page. You need to select your website and just the text of about us content and save page. Then you can manage lockers for make money using CPA content locking. You need to do this. So now we have the main option to add content search. So create website content. First you need to select the website. You can create multiple and unlimited website here. Just purchase the upsell one, that is pro version. You can create unlimited website for your clients or for yourselves. I am showing you how can very effectively make money using this software from Fiverr, Upwork or freelancer.com, or from AdSense, affiliate marketing or CPA marketing. I am showing everything. Just see the demo. So first, for add content, first select website, then select, this is the automobile category, I just created this. Then you have two options to select your content. This is new source. For the new source, you need to give the RSS URL or RSS feed for any your chosen website if you have. Or for this, I am select the existing system. This is affiliate marketing under. This is automobile. Select. This is automobile. So now just click save. So under this way, the website will create automatic, unique, SEO friendly, self updating content website automatically. See, this is the example website. See, this is the website, how responsive, how stunning, self updating website on automobile niche. You can do this under weight loss, under celebrity news, under sports news, or any viral type of content, and this will automatically self updating in just in every 5 minutes, 24 hours a day, 365 in a year, and will share your content automatically on every social share. So this is very amazing, and see how stunning and fabulous website has been created. And you can use affiliate banner, or you can use Google AdSense, or if you can create this type of website in just 5 or 10 minutes, you can do this on Fiverr. See, under website design, I am searching the keyword website design. See, in Fiverr, this is showing I will design a professional Squarespace website for you. He is charging $100. I will design responsive website in 10 hours, you don't need 10 hours, you just need 10 minutes, because this software will create a awesome, stunning, responsive website for you, and that will also self updating. Okay, and he just doing is design responsive website for $100. See, 1000 plus reviews. So imagine how many times he has offered his service to his clients, and he is also charging $150 for doing some design, website design. And you can, using this website, you can create unlimited this type of websites under any niche: weight loss, sports, celebrity news, automobile, electronics, anything you can create in just 5 or 10 minutes. Just take the domain name, take the niche, and create from using this software. This is very simple, and you can do also this on Upwork or freelance, or you can also do this on Facebook or LinkedIn by to your clients. Okay, and this is not only, you can also, as this software will create self updating automated SEO friendly site. So why you only do the design the website, you can search automated website design. See, under this keyword you will find, I will provide automated travel affiliate website for passive income, $50. I will create automated AliExpress dropshipping Shopify store, $185. I will build an automated travel affiliate website, $45. See, this is the demand. I will create your automated Shopify dropshipping store website, $495. See, this is very in demand, because this software will create automated self-updating content website. So you can also offer this on Fiverr, Upwork, freelance.com, or any other platform, or any other your clients on Facebook, LinkedIn, anywhere. And this is also AdSense friendly, because this will generate unique SEO friendly content. So you can also use this site to make money as an affiliate, make money as a AdSense, with AdSense or any other advertising platform, or using CPA content, or selling this type of service on Fiverr. So see, AdSense website, because this is AdSense friendly website maker. AdSense website, search this. See, under the AdSense website, see, I will send AdSense SEP organic website. This is not. I will design Google AdSense approval for your niche website, $20. See, I will monetize your website with Google AdSense quickly. This will help, because this will produce unique SEO friendly article automatically to your website under any niche. See, there are lots of AdSense approval website you are charging. There are lots of option you can do. See, so there are lots of option you can make money using this to Fiverr, Upwork, freelance.com, anything, website design, automated website designs, and even you can do this for article marketing. Okay, because all the article here are unique, so you can also write article for any niche by doing this. There are lots of options you can make money. So as affiliate marketer, as AdSense, from AdSense or other advertisement, or CPA, or you can also sell your service to Fiverr, Upwork, or freelance.com and make money. So this is very fascinating software that creates absolutely amazing system, and you have the lots of option. See, advertisement option, ads manager, you can create, just need to select the website, then advertise position, sidebar, below sidebar, and just need to the advertise code. So you can do many things using this, but my favorite is to sell your service to Fiverr, Upwork, or freelance.com by website design, or automated website design, or AdSense approval website creation, because this website can create automated self-updating website in any niche, and you just need to take the domain name and the niche name. You can create websites using Ubank for your clients. So this is very awesome, and if you want to use it for yourself, you can also do so. You can do this for any niche: weight loss, sports, travel, technology, anything. You can use affiliate banner, you can use CPA content locker or AdSense also. So this is fantastic. So these are the general bonuses. You will get these bonuses under these bonuses, and this is vendor special bonus. Okay, and you can select as many as you. Photo rating service website, order management system, selling services. You can sell downloadable files, sell services to your own website. This is freelance software. This is very important software. This is a complete set of tools for freelance project management. Plan your project activities, assign milestones, manage resources, and collaborate with your client better to get things done on time. This is traffic Twitter software, video watermark, image hosting software, and thumbnail creator. You will found this under this bonus section. Then this is the semi-exclusive bonuses. You can choose up to 5, any of the 5. This is Ubank video course, Ubank temporary email system, then Ubank SMS gateway. This is very cool software, because you can attract online marketers and business owners who are looking for a cost effective way of sending SMS to their clients in their country. And Ubank mobile device detector, Ubank ultimate freelance project management app, Ubank portal, Ubank augmented reality builder app, and Ubank mobile apps marketplace, and some. Oh, this is very awesome. Viral coupons for Facebook. This is very cool software for making your Facebook page viral. Okay, so you can use any of the 5 under this, and you will get this under this bonus tab. And this is my exclusive bonuses over $33,000. I have put the link in my description below. When you purchase, you will get all of these bonuses automatically on your access page as affiliate bonus. The first one is YouTube Velocity. This is for bringing set and free bad traffic from Google and YouTube in just matter of minutes. This is a MIP software. This is actually ad codes and bonus page generate software. This is Shina, awesome free software for bringing free bad traffic also. This is Genovia. This is Cleopatra. This is fantastic. I use it for myself, because LinkedIn is a business social media, and you can bring free bad traffic using this software from LinkedIn, and it will automate everything on LinkedIn. LinkedIn Golden Stash. This is actually a domain flipping method. This is TweetX software this is a software for bringing free traffic from Twitter. Then forget about Broke. This is a product by Johnny Rose. That's very proven method. This is Nova. This is for bringing target audience from TikTok. You will get also the upgrades with this. The Lazy Traffic Sniper. This is for finding and monetizing free bad traffic. And List Lariat. This is a free list building step-by-step course. This is Ariel Accession. This is also teach how to leverage free traffic to make affiliate commission. This is 100% proven course. The Midas course. This is very secret method to make good quality money. The Traffic Underdog. This is everything about traffic methods. The 6-figure secret. This is about A to Z full course for building a 6-figure business. The Traffic Booster, Affiliate Takeoff. This is a fantastic for newbies or very beginner. Anyone can make money using this method, and this is very fast method. You can make money. The Super Shakedown. This is a affiliate training. This is very awesome. Then Profit Scope, Profit Force, Octagon. There are lots of bonuses here. I can't show you all, but when you will purchase through my link, I have put the link in my description, you will get all of these bonuses automatically as affiliate bonus on your access page, and you will get also this semi-exclusive and general bonuses under this tab. And don't forget to take this discount when you want to
We all know that
purchase
the economy has been
this. Just go to this cursor button, you will get $3 discount. So don't forget to take this discount, it will save $3. So this is absolutely amazing. So what actually makes Ubank different from other viral content website makers? We know there are lots of website software that creates viral content website, but what actually makes Ubank different from this? See, this is the reason. This is fresh, unique and viral content, especially designed for facing trending viral and content over the internet, and it will create 100% unique and SEO friendly content, and this supports RTL. RTL is a language. Only a few languages in the world use RTL text direction, but these languages cover over a billion people, so this is very important, and Ubank supports RTL. Okay, and this is viral traffic engine. Secret viral traffic engine forces website traffic to make the content viral by locking the content when someone is reading it. This is very awesome feature, special feature. And you can also create name test quiz, sorry, you can also create name test quizzes that visitors love to share and multiply the traffic on hands-free mode. This is actually a special feature because people always love quizzes. Okay, and monetization, I have already mentioned that you can work with AdSense, other advertised platforms, CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, ClickBank, Quadriplus, JVZoo, anything, Amazon, anything. And self-updating viral sites, automatically update your sites every 5 minutes, 24 hours, 365 in a year. It will update your site with fresh, unique, SEO friendly content. And text spinner support, that's why it will create SEO friendly, unique, viral content. It will spin your post to make it unique content for huge SEO boost. So this is my final opinion. So we all know that viral content is one of the most and best ways to engage an audience, drive traffic and generate traffic, but none of the previous launches even come close to what Ubank can do. We have seen that Ubank offers some special and exclusive features, okay, that none previous launches have done yet. See, they have been hiding away, building out this platform in such a way that anyone, anywhere can use it to drive insane traffic, and this is actually a new and proven viral traffic method. So I highly recommend you to use it if you want to make money using this Ubank software by affiliate marketing. It's okay. If you want to make money with CPA marketing, it's okay. If you want to make money with AdSense, it's okay. And if you want to use this software to sell service on Fiverr, that's also awesome. You can sell your site under website design, automated website design, article writing, or AdSense approval website. You can use this software to it takes just 10 minutes to deliver your service to your clients, and just take the domain name and the niche. You can make it in just under 10 minutes. And don't forget to take my awesome bonuses and these bonuses, and don't forget to take the $3 discount coupon. So this is all about Ubank review. I hope this Ubank review will help you to make your purchase decision. If you enjoy this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So this is for today. See you soon.